Hello guys, ever wanted to create a voice that sounds straight out of your favorite anime?
私はまだ何も知らない。この先に待つかけがえのない出会いも。
Well, whether you're a content creator, gamer, or just an anime fan, here is an incredible tool that'll help you craft those unique anime voices in no time. Today I'm diving into Fineshare FineVoice, a powerful AI voice changer designed specifically for anime-style voices. With its incredible features and easy-to-use interface, you can create the perfect voice for any anime character with ease. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Now let's get started. Fineshare FineVoice isn't just another voice changer. It's specifically designed for anime-style voices. Let's look at some of its great features. Anime voice presets. FineVoice offers a variety of anime-style presets that mimic different types of anime characters, from energetic heroes to calm and mysterious villains. Point 2. Realistic voices. FineVoice supports to transform your voice with lifelike accuracy using advanced AI technology. Point 3. Fast conversion. You'll get anime voices in seconds to boost your creative projects. Versatile options. Users can record voice or upload MP3, .wav, or in 4A files for anime-style voice changes. Point 5. Free and easy to use, you can enjoy a simple, user-friendly interface to change your voice in just 3 easy steps, all for free. Now let's jump into how to create anime voice in 3 steps with FineVoice. Step 1. Head over to Fineshare's Anime Voice Changer website and sign up for your account. Step 2. Select the anime voice you like. Let's listen to some examples of anime voices.
トールサブの別れて知ってるあなたがかぶらんかした体でいいなメガネ
So fast. I know everything. Don't worry about it. I'm a genius. A grandmother with spectacles and a funny, Philly cap, who would make me sugar cookies and take me on her lap.
Sealing yourself away from the rest of the world may only serve to accelerate the effects of erosion. Imagine a world consisting of you and you alone, with no one else to reflect you back at yourself. How awful that would be. Whatever.
So one, will you make your weapon disappear with a swish, and then whoosh, you make it appear behind your back again. Paimon's heard that the origin of the weasel feast has...
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Then tap One Voice. You can also choose any anime voices from the library.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Now upload your audio. You can also record your audio.
It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of incredulity. It was the season of light. It was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us. We were all going direct to heaven. We were all going direct the other way.
Adjust the pitch then. Step 3. Click Change Voice Now. Only 2 to 3 seconds, your anime voice will be generated successfully.
It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. It was the age of wisdom. It was the age of foolishness. It was the epoch of belief. It was the epoch of incredulity. It was the season of light. It was the season of darkness. It was the spring of hope. It was the winter of despair. We had everything before us. We had nothing before us. We were all going direct to heaven. We were all going direct the other way.
Wonderful, right? Next, tap Download button to download the audio. Now you know how easy it is to create your own anime voices with Fineshare FineVoice. I encourage you to give it a try. It's a perfect tool to bring your characters to life. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.